We push our bodies. We challenge our limits. Whether you're an elite athlete, a weekend warrior, or just starting your fitness journey, there's a universal truth. Progress happens during recovery. But what if I told you that the secret to faster recovery, stronger muscles, and less soreness isn't just in the gym, but right in your kitchen?
The food we eat is the literal fuel that rebuilds our muscle fibers, replenishes our energy stores, and reduces the inflammation that causes that all-too-familiar muscle ache. It's not about magic pills or expensive supplements. It's about understanding the power of whole foods.
Today, we're going on a deep dive. We're not just going to list 5 foods. We're going to break down the science behind why they work. We'll explore the specific amino acids, the types of carbohydrates, the essential minerals, and the powerful vitamins that make these foods the ultimate toolkit for your muscles. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how it's transforming your body from the inside out. So, let's get started with our first muscle-building powerhouse, a food that's as simple as it is effective: whole eggs. For decades, the humble egg has been a staple for athletes, and for good reason. It's what we call a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Think of these amino acids as the individual Lego bricks needed to build a structure. Without all the different types of bricks, you can't complete the build. Your muscles are that structure. But there's one amino acid in eggs that acts as the master switch for muscle growth: leucine. The article mentions it, but let's understand what it really does. Leucine is the primary trigger for a process called muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. Imagine your muscle cells are a construction site, and the workers are waiting for the signal to start building. Leucine is the foreman who walks in, blows the whistle, and commands the crew to start repairing and building new muscle tissue. Without enough leucine, the signal is weak and recovery is slow. Now, let's talk about the yolk. For years, people were scared of the yolk, throwing it away in fear of cholesterol. But for muscle health, that's a huge mistake. The yolk is a treasure trove of vital nutrients. It contains vitamin D, which is crucial not just for bone health, but also for optimal muscle function and strength. It has vitamin B12, which is essential for healthy nerve function, and your nerves are what tell your muscles to contract in the first place. And let's not forget iron. The yolk is a great source of heme iron, which is easily absorbed by the body. Iron is a core component of hemoglobin in your red blood cells. Its job? To carry oxygen from your lungs to your muscles. More efficient oxygen delivery means better endurance during your workout and better recovery afterward. So eating the whole egg provides both the building blocks, the protein, and the essential support crew, the vitamins and minerals. How to incorporate them? It's easy. 2 to 3 whole eggs after a workout is a perfect recovery meal. Hard-boil them for a portable snack, or whip up an omelet packed with veggies for a nutrient-dense breakfast. The versatility of eggs makes them one of the easiest and most effective foods to add to your routine. All right, we've covered our protein cornerstone. Now let's talk about the fuel. Our second food is a dynamic duo for sustained energy and recovery: oatmeal with chia seeds. Let's start with the oatmeal. It's a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates. What does that mean? Unlike simple sugars that give you a quick energy spike, followed by a hard crash, complex carbs are digested slowly. They provide a steady, sustained release of glucose into your bloodstream. This is crucial. It means you have lasting energy for your workout and a stable supply of fuel for your muscles to use for repair afterward, preventing your body from breaking down muscle tissue for energy. But there's a secret weapon inside oats called beta-glucan. This is a type of soluble fiber that is a superstar for your health. For our muscles, its most important role is reducing inflammation. Exercise, by its nature, creates micro tears and inflammation in the muscles. That's what soreness is.
Beta-glucan has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to moderate this response, calm the system, and allow for more efficient repair. It also supports a healthy gut, which is key for absorbing all these amazing nutrients.
Now, let's supercharge our oatmeal by adding chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants. As the article states, they add a host of minerals. Magnesium is critical. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, countering the effects of calcium, which causes muscle contraction. This balance is key to preventing cramps and stiffness. They also provide plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, another powerful anti-inflammatory agent working in synergy with the beta-glucan from the oats.
The best way to have this? As a pre-workout meal, about 60 to 90 minutes before you train to fill your energy stores. Or make overnight oats. Combine oats, chia seeds, milk or water, and a scoop of protein powder in a jar. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, you have a perfectly balanced, ready-to-go meal that supports both your energy levels and your recovery.
From complex fuel, we move to a quick and easy source of one of the most vital minerals for muscle function, the banana. It's nature's original energy bar, and it's famous for one thing, potassium. But why is potassium so important? It's an electrolyte, which means it carries an electrical charge. Our entire nervous system runs on these electrical impulses. For a muscle to contract, your nerves need to send a signal. This signal relies on a delicate balance of electrolytes, particularly the sodium-potassium pump. Potassium is essential for ensuring these signals are sent correctly and that muscles contract and relax as they should. When we exercise and sweat, we lose electrolytes, including potassium. When potassium levels drop, this signaling process can be disrupted. The result? The dreaded muscle cramp, weakness, and fatigue. A single medium-sized banana provides about 10 to 12% of your daily potassium needs, making it a perfect way to replenish what you've lost during a tough session and prevent cramps before they start. Now, for a crucial pro tip mentioned in the article, pair it with a protein or fat. While bananas are great, they are primarily carbohydrates and can cause a relatively quick rise in blood sugar if eaten alone. By pairing your banana with a source of fat or protein, like a tablespoon of peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or even a protein shake, you slow down the absorption of the sugar. This gives you a more sustained energy release and prevents the insulin spike and subsequent crash, making it a much more effective fuel source. Okay, we've had our protein, our carbs, and our minerals. Our next food combines many of these elements into one creamy, delicious package. Greek yogurt. What makes it different from regular yogurt? The straining process. Greek yogurt is strained to remove most of the liquid whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier product that is significantly higher in protein. A typical serving can have 15 to 20 grams of protein, nearly double that of regular yogurt. But it's the type of protein that makes it a recovery superstar. Greek yogurt contains a powerful 1-2 punch of proteins, whey and casein. We've heard of whey protein. It's fast digesting and floods your muscles with amino acids, including that all-important leucine, right after a workout to kickstart the repair process. But the majority of the protein in Greek yogurt is casein. Casein is slow digesting. It forms a gel in the stomach, releasing amino acids into your system gradually over several hours. This makes it the perfect food to eat before bed, as it provides a steady stream of muscle repairing fuel while you sleep. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt supports the systems that support your muscles. It's packed with calcium and often fortified with vitamin D, the essential duo for bone strength. Strong bones provide the frame that your strong muscles operate on. Furthermore, the live and active cultures, the probiotics, support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut means you can more efficiently absorb all the protein, vitamins, and minerals you're consuming, not just from the yogurt, but from all your meals. For a perfect recovery snack,
top a bowl of plain Greek yogurt with berries for antioxidants and a sprinkle of nuts for healthy fats. It's a complete meal that covers all your bases. The ideal time? Post-workout or as that crucial pre-bedtime meal to maximize overnight recovery. Finally, let's round out our list with a foundational source of energy that also helps with hydration and balance.
The steamed sweet potato. Like oatmeal, sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing that long-lasting, sustained energy. But they also come packed with micronutrients. They are an absolute powerhouse of vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight cellular damage and inflammation. And similar to bananas, they are loaded with potassium, helping with that crucial nerve function and cramp prevention.
But here's the game-changing addition from the article: a pinch of mineral salt. Why? When you sweat, you don't just lose potassium, you lose a lot of sodium, along with chloride, magnesium, and calcium. Standard table salt is just sodium chloride. But mineral salts, like Celtic or Himalayan salt, contain a broader spectrum of trace minerals. By adding a pinch to your potassium-rich sweet potato, you are creating a natural, whole food electrolyte drink. This combination helps your body rehydrate more effectively than water alone, pulling water into your cells and helping to reduce stiffness and restore balance.
Steaming is a great way to preserve nutrients, but baking works well too. A baked sweet potato is a perfect side dish for your main post-workout meal, pairing beautifully with a protein source like grilled chicken or fish. It replenishes your glycogen stores, restores your electrolytes, and sets you up for a fantastic recovery.
So there you have it, 5 incredible, accessible, and powerful foods. The whole egg for its complete leucine-rich protein, oatmeal with chia seeds for sustained anti-inflammatory fuel, the banana for its cramp-busting potassium, Greek yogurt for its dual-action protein recovery, and the sweet potato with mineral salt to replenish energy and electrolytes.
Remember, building a stronger body isn't just about what you do in the gym. It's a 24/7 process. By strategically incorporating these 5 foods into your diet, you're not just eating a meal, you're actively accelerating your recovery, reducing soreness, and providing your body with the exact tools it needs to come back stronger, faster, and more resilient than before.
What is your go-to recovery food? Did we miss one of your favorites? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed nutrition and fitness content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger you.